Next session, children. In the previous session, we understood that the dog's tale, lesson 3, dog's tale. What happened? There was a farmer who lived in the village and he was very lazy man and he doesn't like the work and he hated the work, isn't it? Then what he wished? He wished that if I have a genie, that means a servant, he can do the whole work and the farmer can take the rest. He was thinking that. So by hearing that, the genie, a big genie, appeared in front of him and asked that what he is ready to do the work without the money. That means without the wages. 3 works, but he kept one condition. Are you remembering? He kept one condition. That what was that? If I haven't any work, that time I will kill you and eat your flesh. He was saying. That's why the farmer gave 3 difficult work to him, but he completed in a 1 hour or half an hour. Then again he was in a very trouble. Who? The farmer was in trouble. Why? And he feared the genie also. Why? If I am not giving the work to genie, he will kill and eat me. So what did he do? He went to a schoolmaster who lived in the village. In that village, the schoolmaster was a very wise man. What solution he gave, children? Now we will see. Here he was a wise man. Who was wise man? Schoolmaster. Then the farmer went running to him. He told the schoolmaster about his problem. He told his problem to the schoolmaster. What was his problem? He wants to give the work to Jenny all time. That was. Then the schoolmaster thought for some time. He was thinking what solution we'll see. He was thinking that. He said, I have a dog. Who said that? Schoolmaster said it to farmer. Whom did he say? To farmer. What he say? I have a dog. Then take it to the genie and ask him to straighten its tail. Straighten means make straight. Straighten. I-G-H-T-E-N. Straighten. Straighten means make it straight. We are saying now, draw a straight line. We are saying like that is straighten. But who said to schoolmaster? Said it to farmer that I will give a dog and give it to Jenny that, and what should say? You should say to Jenny that you straight this dog's tail. Isn't it? What is the lesson's name, children? The dog's tail. Okay. Then take it to the Jenny and ask him to straighten its tail. Who said it to farmer? Schoolmaster said it to farmer. Isn't it? The next page. The Jenny was very happy to hear about the new task. See the Jenny, children. Then he got a dog. Then Jenny was very happy to get the new task. Isn't it? Then what an easy task. The Jenny was thinking that what an easy work. What is the last work? Straighten the dog's tail. The 4th work. Straighten the dog's tail. Isn't it, children? By hearing this work, Jenny was very happy. Why? Because it is a very silly work. He was thinking. Then he said to himself, surely the farmer has no other task for me. What he was thinking? The farmer has no other work. That's why he gave this work to me. Jenny was thinking this silly work. I will finish it in no time. Immediately I will complete this work. Which work? Straighten dog's tail. How many works he completed before? Dig a well. He digged a well and built a big house. That also 5-story building. Then he cooked a big meal to the all villagers. These 3 works he completed, and the last task what he gave? Straighten a dog's tail. Then what will happen? How tasty the flesh of my fat master would be. See, he was thinking that he has no work. Jenny was thinking that there is no work to give me, so that's why this work, silly work, gave to me. So after this work I can eat my master. So it was very tasty. He was thinking that after this work the Jenny can kill his master. Who is his master? The farmer. He can kill the farmer and eat his flesh. He is thinking that how much delicious the food. The next, what happened, children? We'll see. The Jenny pulled the dog's tail straight. See, children, the picture. He started to pull the dog's tail straight. He started making his whose tail? Making dog's tail to straight. But it curled again when he let it go. When he removed the hand or leave the hand, again the dog's tail is curling. Curling means making round, curly hair. Did you hear, children? Curly hair. That means rolled. Okay. He pulled the tail again with all his might. Might means more power. Might means more power. Many times. That is, many times with more power, he pulled the dog's tail. Again and again, what will happen? Even though he pulling many times, what happened? If he leaves his hand, again curling the dog's tail. Okay. Then he pulled the tail again with all his might. How much power he used for straightening the dog's tail also. Again it's curling. But again it curled. The Jenny tried hundreds of times. So before this task, big work, he completed half an hour. But this silly work he couldn't complete. So it is not in the right way also. The Jenny tried hundreds of times. How many times? Many times. That means hundreds of times he tried, even though it didn't strain. Watch dog's tail. Every time the tail curled the same way. Even he leave his hands, tail again curling. The Jenny began to sweat from head to foot. What happened? He tired. Sweat means sweating. The body sweating and you are getting the water. Then the Jenny began to sweat from head to foot. See, children, he got sweat from bottom to head or head to foot. He couldn't. See, he couldn't the work and he tired also. What work? Straighten the dog's tail. Straighten the dog's tail. He couldn't do and he became tired. He was so tired that he couldn't try anymore. Many times he did. Even though it is didn't straight, then the Jenny tired. At last, he left the dog and ran away. He left the dog and ran away. What happened? See, he never showed himself again in the village. This Jenny didn't come back in the village. He scared. Which work? He couldn't straight the dog's tail. This is the lesson, children. What is the lesson's name? The dog's tail. So what is the summary, children? There is a farmer who lives in a village. He is very lazy and he doesn't like to do the work. He is hated the work. So he was thinking that if I have a Jenny, it can complete all work. Same, a Jenny appeared on him and the Jenny was very big and strong, very huge size. See what, he has some conditions, children. He has to do the work all time. He can't sit and idle. So if I am sitting and idle, the Jenny will eat the farmer and kill the farmer and eat his flesh. So he gave the work. Farmer gave 3 works, and last one he gave to state the dog's tail, his schoolmaster's dog's tail. But the Jenny couldn't do. He ran away from the village and he didn't come back in the village. This is the story, children. You read this lesson, children. Thank you. Lesson explanation finished, children. Now we are going to the exercises. The first one is new words. Here first one is farmer, F-A-R-M-E-R, farmer. Second one village, village. Third one G-H-O-S-T, ghost, G-H-O-S-T, ghost. Next G-E-N-I-E, Jenny. Then number 5, servant. Sixth one appeared, A-P-P-E-A-R-E-D, appeared. Then seventh one strong, S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. Eighth one condition, C-O-N-D-I-T-I-O-N, condition. Ninth one flesh, flesh. 10th one laughed, L-A-U-G-H-E-D, laughed. 11th one task, T-A-S-K, task. 12th one foolish, F-O-O-L-I-S-H, foolish. 13th one surprised, S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E-D, surprised. 14th one straighten, S-T-R-A-I-G-H-T-E-N, straighten. 15th one might, M-I-G-H-T, might. These are the new words from this lesson, children. Once again we'll read. F-A-R-M-E-R, farmer, farmer. V-I-L-L-A-G-E, village, village. G-H-O-S-T, ghost, ghost. G-E-N-I-E, Jenny, Jenny. S-C-R-V-A-N-T, servant, S-C-R-V-A-N-T, servant, servant. A-P-P-E-A-R-E-D, appeared, appeared. S-T-R-O-N-G, strong, strong. C-O-N-D-I-T-I-O-N, condition, condition. F-L-E-S-H, flesh, flesh. L-A-U-G-H-E-D, laughed, laughed. Next T-A-S-K, task, task. F-O-O-L-I-S-H, foolish, foolish. S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E-D, surprised, surprised. S-T-R-A-I-G-H-T-E-N, straighten, straighten. M-I-G-H-T, might, might. Once again, children, farmer, farmer, village, village, cost, cost, Jenny, Jenny, servant, servant, appeared, appeared, strong, strong, condition, condition, flesh, flesh, laughed, laughed, task, task, foolish, foolish, surprised, surprised, straightened, straightened, might, might. These are the new words, children. Write these new words in your classwork and homework book also. Thank you, children.